5 reasons why the Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder is my go-to breakfast every single morning. Number 1 is clean ingredients. With 21 grams of organic plant-based protein and less than 1 gram of sugar, this powder is packed with organic peas, brown rice, mung beans, and chia seeds. Plus, it has all 9 essential amino acids, making it perfect to start my day. Number 2 is the company's higher standards. It's certified USDA Organic, non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, and made without any soy, dairy, or artificial ingredients. Number 3 is versatility. I love how versatile this protein powder truly is. I can mix it with water, almond milk, oat milk, whatever I want for a delicious shake, or even add it to overnight oats and baked goods for an extra protein boost. Number 4 is it's perfect for any lifestyle. Whether I'm working out, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, or just need a quick on-the-go meal replacement, this protein powder fits perfectly into my routine. Last up is the gut health benefits. With 7 grams of prebiotic fiber in every serving, this powder not only helps me stay full, but also supports my overall gut health, keeping me feeling great all day long.